Hi, this is Frank Sinclair with Dream Again Business Consulting, and I'm here today with Desiree from Diva's Laundry Service. Now, Desiree, this is a service really where it fits the need that's not being filled in Colorado Springs. So why don't you tell Colorado Springs a little bit about what Diva's Laundry Service is?
It's essentially a mobile fluff and fold service, so I'll come to your home and pick up your dirty laundry and return it to you ready to be stored in your closet or your drawers.
Stored. I know. There's a lot of, particularly in the entrepreneurial world, we have multiple people working from the home, all of those things. Think about the convenience of what she just said. How would people get you involved in doing that service for them?
Well, they can visit my website at divaslaundryservice.com, and I have a landing page where they can connect and book a day for me to come pick up their laundry, and within 2 days to 48 hours we'll have it returned back to them.
In 48 hours, fresh and clean and ready to go. Is
That's
that
right? That's right.
How did you conceive of this? Tell Colorado Springs a little bit about how someone would conceive of a business like that.
Well, I have worked in commercial laundry service for a little bit more than 6 years, and so I have lots of experience in doing laundry and all the little secrets on how to get stains out and how to make it smell nice. And I like sharing that particular blessing with other people, because not everybody can fold a shirt the way I can.
That is awesome. Listen, we need to take some things off the table, right? As we're building business, as we're doing things, and we get an opportunity for this young lady to expand her business at the same time. And really, that's the essence of building business in this community anyway, right? So we're glad she's on the scene. You give her a shout if you want your laundry done. If you can't reach her, if you forget about all that information, we will post it later today. Just give me a ring and I'll get a hold of her for you.
All right.
You have anything else to say today, Desiree, to Colorado Springs?
Oh, you guys, I am waiting for your calls. Monday through Saturday, give me a call and we'll get that taken care of for you.
Yes, she
Diva's
would.
Laundry Service.
Thank you. Once again, this is Frank Sinclair with Dream Again Business Consulting with Desiree from Diva's Laundry Service. Thank you guys for listening.